Hello everyone, welcome to Fiji Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh and I'm going to talk about the Greene Concept, right? Send our favorite, one of my favorite stocks to talk about it. And definitely there's some helpful pullbacks been for past couple of days, 2 days we've been having a constant pullback and we're going to talk more about it. But before we talk about it, hey folks, if you guys like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, it helps the channel out a lot. So with the analysis that came, the news that came out today that the Greene concept shares potential in the market and improvement has been a bullish cycle for the last 12 months, right? It currently seems to be the trend where consumers, defense sectors have been more popular in this period. So around this time, they always sees that this is the post like during the summertime, the consumer stocks has always been a big boost in the market, right? Moving forward, our LI stock analysis implies there will be a positive trend in future. Airline shares might be a good investing to making the money, right? So since the share has been a positive outlook, we recommend to take out the portfolio, right? So there's a lot of good news about this company. Like there's a lot of uptrend. I know we have been a selling pressure for the last 4 months, 3 months, but I'm going to talk about the key, very important, very key pattern. I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to go side by side comparison right now. Right, the future, the growth of the company. They're looking in 2020 is about 2,500% upside, and 500% upside in 2023. Right, this is just a forecast growth on that. Right, but analysts is all saying it that it is a positive uptrend. Moving forward, on a previous video we talked about it, our key resistance, right? We're going to talk about it, our key resistance at 2.02 and a key support at 0.02 and 0.027 was our resistance level. And as mentioned, like we needed it to cool it off. Our RSI was super bought on that. The MACD right now, it's shrinking, right? It's really shrinking to an uptrend pattern right now. And then the pattern that I was talking about that caught my eye that I wanted to share with you guys was a cup and handle pattern, right? A cup and handle pattern right now forming right here. We had a pullback. Now we will be seeing some sort of uptrend, right? So that's the way I'm looking at it, an uptrend through, and that's why I mentioned it'll be pulling back. I don't want you guys to panic. If you guys gonna start panicking, what's gonna happen. I understand if some of you guys bought it in the high of 0.31 or 27, but this is a sign of an uptrend, right? You'll see an uptrend coming on soon. As I mentioned, that our pink line on the screen is a 0.027. That's our 200-day moving average, and we acted as a huge resistance. The 60-day moving average is the greenish color, which is acting as a support, and we're trading in between it, and the 20-day moving average is the blue line on that. So what are we looking at, right? When we're looking at it, our MACD is still looks solid right now. RSI is right at 52.07, a little bit high, but nothing to be alarmed on. But the cup and handle pattern I wanted to show you guys because that actually caught my eye right off the back, because I wanted to share with you guys because it's an uptrend. It's about to explode, right? This is an uptrend that it's about to. It might go in between before we have a solid solid breakthrough between 0.27 and 0.31, because we're still on the little bit oversold right now. We're getting so like we have a little bit of down pressure of selling, but I won't be surprised we'll be testing only two levels right now of 0.02 and 0.0 maybe 3, right? I don't even see touching it. So in between that, we have in between a little bit of selling pressure, and then don't forget our cup and handle pattern. Once we have the confirmation, because on the cup and handle you'll see right up here too that it has a couple of trading days or weeks in between in order to explode, right? So we are right there, folks. We are right there. And I know there's a lot of people are impatient sometimes about like why it's not moving, right? Or what happened, why we have a drop right now. So have a plan. Ask yourself, what's your plan? What's your future with the Greene Concept? Be water. That's what I call. And then what do you want to trade to do with it, right? I have a plan. I have the plan when I bought it, and I'm still sticking with my plan because I know the future holds with this company for an upfront, right? So once again, we just have to keep an eye at our 0.27 level, right? On the yearly, we're gonna go back to see just to have confirmation. Even yearly chart, the MACD looks solid, folks. It looks solid right now. So on the yearly chart, you'll see that we are acting as a huge resistance right now. Once we break out our 0.027, right? Just be ready. That's all I have to say to you guys. Just be ready, and have a plan. What do you guys want to do with that? Because just be ready because it's about to rip very, very soon. And the last time we did that, we went all the way up high from 0.24 to all the way high to 0.13 and then 0.15, folks. That was the key uptrend that we had. So right now we are at that level right now. Gonna be trading in between this pattern for a couple of weeks maybe or less, and then before we have a huge breakout with our cup and handle pattern. Thank you for watching the channel, everyone. I really hope you guys like it. Please leave a comment down below, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing the channel, smashing the like button, commenting, whatever you guys can do to help the channel. It means a lot. I will be keep posting the videos of Be Water and the Greene Concepts, so you guys can be up to date on that. Party just about to start. Just make sure you have an invitation and be ready to get in. That's all I have to say. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.